A big welcome to you for making it through to Copycat Social. I am so excited to have you inside here. I'm very excited to share this massive project that I've been working on for such a long time, and I really truly look forward to seeing your results that you get with it. Now in this video I'm just going to show you exactly how to get around the site and take advantage of the awesome resources that we've given you here. So here I am on the Copycat Social homepage. This is the dashboard, and if I scroll down, there is a little get started guide that you can download if you don't really feel like watching the rest of this video, and a few very quick links down here that are also in the tabs up the top. But the magic actually is going to happen in Tools and Resources, and if I click on that, we are going to be redirected to the Tools and Resources page, and this is where your masterpiece is going to start from. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to take in order to set up that solid business that's going to run on autopilot that we've been talking about this whole time. As you can see, there's a number of different places, but definitely start from the very start. So just click on every single part subsequently and follow the guides within. What I'm going to do is just show you exactly how to work through these. So let's say that I've worked through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say I have stopped on fulfilling the service and I want to go in and I actually want to complete this part of the program. I just click on here and I am going to be redirected to the Fulfilling the Service page. At the very top there's going to be a video that I can watch, just like in every other section. Then there is going to be a Fulfilling the Service guide. Now this guide is going to be your guide of how to actually use the resources within here. And then if we scroll down further, there are guides, questionnaires, updater information, templates, and everything else for you to use. Now notice that over here in the brackets we can see who exactly it's for, so that you don't end up sending the wrong documents to the wrong people. And we can see that these ones are for the clients, these are for the updaters, and everything that doesn't have any brackets is just for you to help you set up. Now at the very bottom you will also see the next step, so you can also go to the next part that you need to fulfill or set up from here. But basically this is it. So every single section is going to have your templates and resources and a video and a guide at the top. Now let me just quickly show you. So if I click on download your Fulfilling the Service guide, I am going to come to this document here that I have created, and it's going to show you exactly what documents you need to be using, and it says exactly what ones you need to use at every single step and what ones you can customize, and so on and so forth. So be sure to read these specific guides and watch the videos so that you actually know what to do with these documents down here. Now if I go further along, so even though the Tools and Resources tab is the most important one, and that's basically it should be your homepage for this entire project, we have added in a couple of extra things just to make this that extra bit more worthwhile. So if I go back onto the Tools and Resources page, there is this extra products folder here. Now this is an entire section in itself, but I decided to put it in here to add products that you can use and sell as your own. So you can stick your logo, branding, your name onto any of these, and you can sell them as your own. A whole bunch of them that we have included just for you, and it's going to be an income stream all by itself for you within this product. The second thing that we decided to add in is the updated training. So this is some training that you can actually share with your contractors that you hire to ensure that they have the best knowledge of Facebook specifically. And all of these videos are going to take them exactly through certain parts of what they need to do. And if they're unsure about anything, you can just send them through to these videos. Now, the last thing that we added is the bonuses, which is in here. And of course, there is a support tab here that you can click on, and you will be redirected to our support desk that you can ask any questions at any point in time. And that's it. I really, truly look forward to having your feedback after using all of these. Remember to go straight to the Tools and Resources tab as soon as you receive the product, so you can actually start from the very beginning and start building that solid business. This is Eva Maria, and I'll see you later.